Hello, this is Rick with Megabyte sail number 265, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about repairing the mast track on your Megabyte sail mast. So while I was out sailing in some kind of breezy conditions, I got overzealous with the outhaul, yanked it on a little bit too hard, and managed to peel up the bottom foot or so of mast track. That was obviously kind of a game over type of situation for the day. So came home, did a little research, got in touch with Zim Sailing, who's been a fantastic steward of the class since they took it over, and found out that they were using a product called Plexus MA310. They were super quick to get back to me and very helpful with telling me what product I needed to get this done. Now, I didn't just use an off-the-shelf product simply because I wasn't sure. A lot of these plastics can actually be damaged or even melt when you use the wrong type of epoxy. So I wanted to make sure and use the right one so I didn't make my problem worse. So I ended up coughing up the extra money to get this Plexus MA310 from Jamestown distributors. There'll be a link in the comments down below. And so it's a little steep. It's $25 for this 50 milliliter tube. And then they ding you for expensive shipping because it's hazardous material. But really, once you get that in, all you got to do is twist the top off. It's a twist top. It's not, you can see there, it's not something you cut with a utility knife. So make sure and twist it off and not cut it off. Otherwise you'll waste a lot of product. Twist it off. Now they also want you to buy this caulking gun, if you will. It's a lot like one of these clamps that just basically presses the contents of the tube out. It's $70 and you don't really need it at all. Just gently squeeze the stuff with a couple of fingers out of the tube and you'll be just fine. Mix it up on a little piece of cardboard. I used a Q-tip. And then I just just pull this back, slather in the mixed content. You've got about 15 minutes or so of working time with this, which is plenty. I took about a minute or two to actually do my layup. And that's really all it took. From there, I grabbed a piece of scrap wood along with a couple super cheap clamps from Harbor Freight. Laid the piece of wood over the top, and then use the clamps to kind of spread the press load across evenly. I got a little cleanup work to do here. Some kind of oozed out while it cured. But anyway, that's really all there is to know about this. Pretty straightforward. So, easy fix. So again, Plexus MA310 is the product. It's about $25 plus $10 or $15 shipping. Again, I got it from Jamestown distributors. They're pretty much the only place I could find to purchase it in a small quantity. Do not buy the gun to dispense the stuff for $70. You don't need to do that. Just keep your money and put it towards your new sail fund or Mark II rig fund. And that's really all you need to know. I'll be using it again later on to fix the upper half of my mast. I'm missing a tang here, so I'll be using MA310 here as well. And hopefully Zim can help me track down another one of these tangs, otherwise I'll have to fashion one myself. But that is another project for another video. So anyway, there you have it. Happy Megabyte sailing, everybody.